What is up with Pokemon that have pouches? The main pouch Pokemon that we all think about is, of course, Kangaskhan, but we also got the Blissey line with Chansey and Blissey also, incubating eggs in their pouch instead of like a full-blown baby. These Pokemon are obvious analogs to like modern-day marsupials that also have, pouches. Some of them don't have pouches, but they like give birth to really tiny fetuses, and then they kind of crawl on the mother to attach to feed from the milk. And I think our pouch Pokemon like Kangaskhan or Chansey might have like similar evolutionary advantages to actual marsupials. So like if you compare a Kangaskhan to having an egg, like these are some obvious advantages. You have this little infant that is able to kind of move around, take care of itself, and it's much more protected being like attached to the mother in the pouch than in an egg just like laid somewhere in the environment. It also might be easier for this to like grow bigger and faster outside than if it's constrained inside the mother's body, which might come in handy if you're like battling all the time, since this thing does take part in the Kangaskhan Mega Evolution. Now, I don't know if Blissey would be on the same evolutionary line as Kangaskhan since these things look nothing alike outside of their little pouch. It's also weird that this has an egg in the pouch since modern marsupials don't do that at all, and instead they give birth to like a live infant that then crawls into the pouch. It's also weird to think about those two Pokemon not being related since marsupials only evolved once, probably, and like looking at the differences between Blissey and Kangaskhan, like those have gotta be separate lines, right?